बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 28 जुलाई 2024 के अखबार में। द क्लासिफाइड की ये जॉब्स हैं। अकाउंट्स फाइनेंस रिक्वायर्ड एन अकाउंटेंट शुड बी बीकॉम विथ 3 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस एंड कंप्यूटर लिटरेट, must have experience of filing of sales tax and withholding tax return. Age should not be more than 35 years. Please apply at email muazzamkhan2020@gmail.com. Muazzam MOAZAM Khan 2020@gmail.com. Join our team. We are hiring number 1 accountant, number 2 assistant accountant, number 3 auditor, number 4 sales and marketing representative. Requirements: bachelor's degree in relevant field, 2+ years experienced in relevant field. Send resume to WhatsApp 0317 111 3637 0317 111 3637। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0315869696 0315869696। मेडिकल की जॉब है। मेडिकल प्लस रिक्वायर्ड मेल डॉक्टर, इवनिंग शिफ्ट, क्रू मंडर कराची। ईमेल CV होप कराची gmo@gmail.com। मेंशन पोजीशन इन द सब्जेक्ट लाइन। कॉन्टैक्ट 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889। रिक्वायर्ड फीमेल डॉक्टर फॉर मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, क्रू मंदर कराची। ईमेल CV होप कराची gmo@gmail.com होप कराची gmo@gmail.com। मेंशन पोजीशन इन द सब्जेक्ट लाइन। कॉन्टैक्ट 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889। रिक्वायर्ड फार्मासिस्ट फॉर अ चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल। ईमेल CV होप कराची gmo@gmail.com। मेंशन पोजीशन इन द सब्जेक्ट लाइन। कॉन्टैक्ट 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889। मल्टीपल की जॉब्स हैं। हार्नेस असेंबली डिपार्टमेंट पोजीशंस वैकेंट इन हार्नेस असेंबली डिपार्टमेंट इन अ केबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड हार्नेस असेंबलिंग कंसर्न। नंबर 1 प्रोडक्शन इंचार्ज, नंबर 2 क्वालिटी इंचार्ज, नंबर 3 फ्लोर सुपरवाइज़र। मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन इंटर अलॉन्ग विद डिप्लोमा ऑफ एसोसिएट इंजीनियरिंग DAE and 1.5 to 2 years of working experience. Please apply along with CV cc@induscables.net. Mr. Arshad 031210123736 031210123736। IBROXSMCC requires the services of male/female staff based at PECHS Karachi. Office positions are HR officer, social media officer, business development manager, receptionist. Please WhatsApp your resume to country manager 031889475446 0318947546। email ibroxsmcc@gmail.com ibroxsmcc@gmail.com। A commercial trading company located in the site area is currently looking for qualified candidates to fill the following vacant positions. Number 1 assistant accounts manager, number 2 data entry/computer operator. Preference given to candidates with an accounts related experience. Number 3 sales executive/assistant with DAE/BE in mechanical. Interested candidates are invited to send their CV to email HR@kausartrade.com. kausartrade KAUSARTRADE.com। टीचर्स की जॉब है। ब्राइट करियर स्कूल A Cambridge system school requires qualified and experienced female teachers for class Montessori, nursery, KG 1 and 2. Also requires qualified, trained and experienced female Montessori, directresses, section head / coordinator, English fluent and computer skilled candidates are preferable. Contact Bright Career School, A for Apple /125 126 Zamanabad area, 36/B Landi number 4 Karachi. Email bcscampus1@gmail.com. Phone number 021350 3311 02135 3311. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213504134 0213504134. सेल एंड व्हाट्सएप नंबर 03282951 656 Bright Career School and English Medium School requires qualified and experienced female teachers of English, Math, Science, Urdu and Computer for 3 to 8 Cambridge system classes. Also biology, computer, math, physics, Urdu, Sindhi and Pakistani studies. Male / female teachers for 9 and 10 metric system classes, and also requires vice principal, section head and female PTI English fluent and computer skilled candidates are preferable. Contact Bright Career School, A /125 126 Zamanabad area, 36/B Landi number 4 Karachi. Email bcscampus1@gmail.com. Phone number 0213503311 0213503311. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213504134 0213504134. सेल एंड व्हाट्सएप नंबर 03282951 656 The Guardians Cambridge Education System requires female English teacher for primary section. Walk-in interview from 9 AM to 12 at B75 Block 1 Gulistani Johar. 02134018 02134018 /34018 WhatsApp 0300 2272329 WhatsApp 0300 2272329 cv@guardians.edu.pk cv@guardians.edu.pk. A reputable college at Malir required a well experienced MSc qualified teacher for teaching chemistry. The candidate must be fluent in English as well as reside at Malir. Drop your CV at IE Smart Group of School and College, Rafi Banglos, Malir, Karachi. 0332324124 0332324124. Required computer teacher, math and Urdu teacher female upon immediate appointment for secondary classes in a school located behind Urdu University, Gulshan Iqbal. Send CV 0345367709 0345367709. Urgently required experienced Montessori directress, English and computer teacher for primary and computer science, SSTD maths teacher for secondary classes. School located Block B, North Nazimabad. Email your CV azim.recruitment@gmail.com. Contact 03331038 03331038 The Iman Academy urgently requires qualified and experienced fluent in English teachers for all classes and subjects. Walk-in interview Monday to Thursday between 10 AM to 12 PM. Address D for Doctor 182 Block 4 Karimabad FB area, Karachi. Contact number 0213637647 0213637647. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213636026 0213636026. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 03333805 03333805 ईमेल imanacademy@gmail.com. New Millennium Secondary School 3F17/16 V Nazimabad number 3 Gold Market. English speaking primary and secondary teachers for English, Science, Social Studies, Maths, Biology, Sindhi, Urdu, Chemistry, Physics, Computer Studies, Islamiyat, Montessori and Accounts. Contact 0324287269 0324287269. Others की जॉब है Others office assistant, male/female, required proficient in English and good computer knowledge with experience in commercial organization. Necessary apply with computer biodata, testimonial, past experience, certificate and photograph at ईमेल para-kh@parent.com, para-kh@parent.com. We are a Chinese manufacturer of medical consumables. We avoid middlemen and set up warehouses in Karachi. We only produce the best quality products and provide the most favorable discounts for hospitals in Pakistan. For any product feedback, please contact Sunny, our chief representative in Pakistan. Individuals and distributors are welcome to join our career. Please contacting with us wuhua0377@gmail.com. We also hire an import and export document assistant. Please contacting with us fairwaytrading45@gmail.com. fairwaytrading45@gmail.com. Our freight forwarding / custom clearing company looking for a documentation manager who should have knowledge of filing GD and coordinating with shipping line. Location Clifton Block 4 near Dolmen Mall, Clifton. Interested candidate to drop CV on sales at cmmenterprises.com.pk. Required transport coordinator 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in fleet management. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930, 0213223930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213224389, 0213224389। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।